How can you control your blood pressure and your sugar? Three things reduce to minimum: salt, sugar, starch or carbohydrates. Four things to increase: greens, veggies, fruits, nuts. Three things to forget: your age, your past, and your grudges. Three things to have: true friends, loving family, positive thoughts. 6 acts to stay healthy: fasting, laughing, exercise, walk or cycling at least 5 to 7 km daily. Keep always physically active and mentally relaxed. Weight loss. 4 things not to wait for: don't wait till you are sleepy to sleep. Don't wait till you are tired to rest. Don't wait till your friend is sick to go to see him. Don't wait for problems to pray to God. Take care of yourself and stay strong. Stay healthy, happy, and blessed. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe our channel to get more videos.